Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import an anime character or a VRM file into Unreal Engine 5.6. Let's go ahead and get started. This is an update of a previous video that I made. Some people were having issues, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is download the VRM for You plugin, which is made by Ruyo. And as you can see here, it is in the link in the description below. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down. It is going to be in Japanese. They do have English documentation if you need that. Just go down to releases. And in this case, I'm going to be using 5.6. I will download this VRMU 5.6 zip. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And while that's happening, I need to do two things. One, create an anime character. And two, open up a blank Unreal Engine third-person project. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to head over to Vroid Studio, which is available for free on Steam. You can create your VRM anime characters using this app. I'll go ahead and just open that up. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and select this avatar sample B. You can go ahead and create your own character if you want. And it's loading at the moment for me. So let's go ahead and just see. I can go ahead and just change the body, change the outfit. I'll do this something like this SWAT suit or something. And I'll just go ahead and go to the export button. So the share button over here and click export as VRM. And then I'm simply just going to go ahead and hit export. I'll do export VRM1 and then go ahead and click export right here like so. And I'll just save it into my anime folder once this is done processing. And I'll go ahead and just save it over here to my anime UE folder like so. Save. And now from here, I'll go ahead and just extract this zip. I'm just going to extract all right here. I'll put it in the same folder. And once this is done, it's going to give me a plugins folder that I just need to drag and drop into my third person project. So right here, it already says plugins. And now I've created my blank third person project. So it's going to say level third person. I'm going to go ahead and right click on content, click show in Explorer, and go up one level to the actual project name, which is the anime character, which is what I've named my project over here. And I simply just want to drag in the plugins over here. And I'm going to go ahead and restart my project and then enable it. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. I'll go ahead and start it back up. Now with Unreal Engine restarted, I'm going to head over to plugins and look for that VRM for You. Just make sure that it is checked. And now all I need to do is just go ahead and create a new folder. I'll just call this anime character. I'm going to go into it and drag that VRM model in. So look for that avatar sample B. Go ahead, just drag and drop in my content browser. I'm just going to make sure that I have my material type is going to be mtune unlit. I'm going to go ahead and hit import. And once that's done importing, I can see that my character is successfully here. If you don't have this RTG avatar sample B, which is our retargeter, I would just recommend deleting everything and then trying to drag it in again. I heard this is a glitch that can sometimes happen. I've had people in my YouTube comments also say they didn't get the retargeter, but just make sure you do have this RTG avatar sample B. That is very important. What I'm going to do next is just head over to third person blueprints, and then I'll open my BP third person character. And I'll just drag it here. And I want to go to my anim class, which is my ABP unarmed. Just go ahead and hit on this magnifying glass to find it in our content browser. I'm going to right click, click retarget animations, and look for that avatar sample B. Uncheck this auto generate retargeter, select RTG avatar sample B, and then click down here and hold Control and click A to select all, and click export animations. And now I'm just going to go ahead and export these animations. I will make another folder under my anime character called animations like so. And then I'll just add a prefix, which is going to be VRM for you underscore. And then I'll just leave this as is, click export. It's going to export everything and make sure and then after it's done exporting, just make sure you go ahead and save all. So I'll hit Control Shift Save. It's going to save everything like so. Now all I need to do from here is head over back to my BP third person character, change my anim class to the VRM for You ABP unarmed, and change the skeletal mesh to my avatar sample B. I'll go ahead and hit compile and save and check the viewport out. You can see the capsule is a little big. I can just shrink it on the radius to kind of match her fit. Make sure the feet are parallel. The bottoms of the feet are parallel to the capsule, so you're not like in the ground a little bit or anything. And then I'll go ahead and compile save, go back to my map and hit play. And now when I start running, I can go ahead and run around. Everything's just fine. I have a little bit of a shading thing. And now everything's kind of working great as if I'm the third person character, but I'm having a little bit of a weird issue when I land. kind of start T-posing a bit, all I need to do for that is go into my anim class. So go ahead and head over to the anim class. I'm going to go to the anim graph. So double click over here. I'll go into my main states and then it's the land animation. I'll double click this VRM for you underscore mm underscore land animation. Go ahead and open this animation up and I'll look for the additive anim type. And I'm just going to change this to local space. For the base pose type, I'll change this to selected animation frame. Let me go ahead and see if this is the one that works. So now when I jump, yeah, this is the one that works correctly. And that's pretty much how you add your anime character to Unreal Engine using Vroid Studio or whatever VRM file you're using. Thanks for watching Code of the Road. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.